Uthaka wa nyoni cia flamingo koretwo ukihe iria ria BOGORIA riri mweru kuona nyoni ici koretwo ikihe iria riri maroro ma rangi wa pink. Uthaka uyu niguo koretwo ukiguciriria agendi aingi kaunti-ini ya Baringo na makiria kuona ati iria riri rirerikana gukorwo na makiria ma nuthu ya flamingo ciothe iria ikoragwo thiini wa thi.
The population of flamingos in the world is almost like 3.something million, but we have more than half of population in BOGORIA. So quite number is with us, and this is actually the season where we normally have quite a number of flamingos between May to July.
Currently, we are very happy to tell the entire world that the flamingos are back in millions, as you've seen for yourselves. And this has improved the bookings as compared to the last 3 years. We've seen bookings going up to 95% for this summer season.
Nyoni ici irerikana gukorwo na uguni munene hari kurirukia ruhonge rwa ugendi ruria kwa ihinda ria miaka 3 rwenyenyetio ni mututhuko wa murimu wa COVID-19 o hamwe na muihuro wa maria ma gitaru kia Rift Valley ni undu wa gucenjia kwa riera.
The pandemic COVID-19 actually has brought a lot of issues within the industry, which has reduced a lot of revenue. Apart from that, the insecurity issue, which actually was a main part of the problem.
In Baringo, we also had the issue of the climate change. A number of the lakes in Baringo had swollen and affected accessibility to a number of places which are of tourist attraction.
Muingiri ni uritio wikinye kaunti-ini ya Baringo niguo kenerere uthaka wa kaunti iyo iria ikoragwo na maria matatu.
Baringo County has huge potential in terms of tourist sites with the 3 lakes, 2 major lakes, and other areas of cultural. Baringo is very rich in diversity. And we are telling the world that if you have never come to visit Baringo, then this is the right time to come. The weather is also good.
The government is using all the agencies to have marketing strategies to stabilize the COVID-19 programs. The revenue is now trying to increase from because we actually almost like getting less than even 5 million revenue collection by year. But now we are trying to come up to improve on the same.
Uthaka wa nyoni ici urerikana kuongerera agendi aria marathi mikawa-ini itiganite kaunti-ini ya Baringo na gicunji kia 95 hari igana.